Welcome to Sweet Life Beat Life. We hope this video helps.
You start by making components that control refractive index and color. Brew 4 cups of strong black tea, then cool it to about 40 degrees C so it won't mix violently with denser layers. Next, make a 1 sugar syrup, 1 cup sugar dissolved in 1 cup water, because sugar raises solution density and refractive index. While syrup stays warm, measure small amounts of edible luster dust or a concentrated butterfly pea infusion to add iridescence. Strain everything through a fine mesh to remove particulates before layering. Once done with ingredients, you construct a density gradient to refract light into prismatic colors. Prepare 3 solutions with increasing sugar, 1/4 sugar ratio, 1/2 and full 1 syrup. Label them. Pour the densest solution into the glass first, then very slowly add the medium density over the back of a spoon at an angle. Finally, float the cooled tea on top. Make sure to test with a focused light beam. The gradient of refractive indices bends wavelengths differently, producing spectral separation when aligned correctly. You finish by sealing the optical effect and serving carefully. Gently sprinkle a pinch of edible luster dust or a few drops of concentrated butterfly pea at the top. Avoid stirring, because motion collapses the gradient. Chill the glass upright for 15 to 20 minutes to let diffusion slow and layers stabilize, then angle a light source and rotate the glass to view prismatic bands. If layers blur, reheat and repour the denser layer, or make the top layer 1-2 degrees C colder to reduce mixing. This fixes most issues quickly.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.